Plywood, Marine Plywood made in Ghana.
Very big in the
Oh, what kind? What that? That's what you are. We are welcome. Okay. 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 Big buyers. You can customize it. Your own logo and the rest.
See, final use, are they going to take off the wrapper or?
Usually, not normally, it's part of it. Yes, it's what makes it a bit more durable. You go for construction, maybe for flooring or for building or something.
So for them, because actually they are a little bit why they want to paint, because maybe they are buying from you, they are buying from you, and they don't want to disclose when they are buying because in Europe and US people are in flavor, and think is that they don't know the direct to us. So if they are very so if they are in Middle East market.
Middle East.
The white logo.
Oh, okay. Middle East. So,
Mainly in Saudi, UAE. Saudi is our biggest market.
okay. Saudi. Wow.
So for this one we use the 1,000-ton press.
Okay.
So in the press, we have the tonnage in the press. So the normal presses are 600 tons, but for this one we have the 1,000 tons.
1,000 plus.
Okay. So it's a 5 times company.
Wow.
For trucks, mounts or the big mounts. So what they do, they make the racks. That's how they make the racks with this ones. They put the net around this ones, and they are the biggest in the world for the quality products. So they supply all over the world. But they make very heavy stuff.
Wow.
They make the trucks.
People are making big money.
Right?
People are making big money.
Big.
Yes. The responsibility, the cost.